Alright, so in this step, we are going to be walking through the list of brokers that are available in the market, the ones you can link to your easy trend signal. All of these are list of brokers that are very reliable, and they are also licensed. Okay, we are going to review them one after the other so you can see why they are reputable and they are licensed. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is forex brokers? Now, brokers are companies, they are financial institutions that give us the access to trade the market. Okay, so that means without the broker we can't have access to the market. So they give us access to currency pairs, commodities, indices, and stuff like that. Okay, so these are the list of brokers that you can choose. You can either choose easy market, IC market, FP market, and tick mills. Okay, now to review easy market to see if they are licensed, if they are regulated, so we just have to copy this, or you search on Google and I paste it right here, and then you can see easy market review. So once you search this, you will see that on Trustpilot, it is actually 4.5 rating. So that means they have a very nice review, a very nice customer service, and a lot of traders uses them. I can see on Forex Brokers, we also have over 4.0 rating. So we can also, let's just try to review on this platform. So basically, Easy Market has been in existence for several years. I think since 2001. That was when Easy Market was launched. Okay, so today, 2025 would make it 24 years. Okay, it is going to make it 24 years, as you can see right here. So these are the regulations. They are licensed and regulated by these financial authorities. So as you can see, so the minimum deposit is $25, right? $25. So you can read more about it. So this is just to give you more confident that choosing easy market is very you have no issues. You're actually working with a reputable company, and your money is safe. The reason why you should choose easy market is that it is also acceptable on TradingView. Okay, I'm going to show you guys that very soon. So let's just walk through on the second one, which is IC Market. So IC Market is very reputable, and they are one of the leader in the forex industry. You can see IC Market review, and on Trustpilot they have thousands of reviews on Trustpilot. So let's check that out. As you can see, they have 46,000 reviews and over 4.8. This is very amazing, and a lot of their customers are giving them nice reviews. You can see, so you can work with this company. It is also good. I'll give you a guide on how you can do that. Okay, so let's go back to the main page, so you can also check them out right here. So you can see, so for easy markets, the minimum deposit is 200. I mean, for IC market, okay, easy market is $25, right? For IC market, you need to fund with minimum of 200. Do you understand? So whichever one that works for you, you can go with any one of them. Okay. So now the next one is FP market. All right, FP market. So let's go and do our research. Actually, I have done my research, my personal research, and I found out that all those brokers are well regulated and they are well licensed. You can see this is also reputable broker with over 4.9 rating on Trustpilot. So we can actually read more information. Let's just check this out. You can see this is over 4.5. So let's just check this out. So going down, you can see minimum is $100, right? and well, they're actually very, very reputable. I have a lot of my students using FP Market, and there is no complaint. There is no compliance from them at all. Their withdrawal is very fast. Deposit and withdrawal is very, very fast. Their customer service is also very, very good. Okay. So the next one, which is the last one, is TradingView. So TradingView broker. This is also a very reputable broker company. As you can see, so we actually go to, hold on a second. All right, so you can see TradingView also has a very nice review with over 4.1 rating on Trustpilot. All those brokers I've listed out now, they are very reputable, and it is also accepted on TradingView. All of the brokers I've shown you right now, they are all accepted on TradingView. You can see minimum deposit is $100. I think the lowest, the ones with the lowest minimum deposit is Easy Market. Okay, so if you're going with any of those brokers, you're rest assured that you're going with a very licensed and reputable broker companies. Okay, you have no problem with anything. You have no problem. Just all you need to do is click on this open an account, and it takes you to the page where you have to open an account for Easy Market. The account registration process is very, very straightforward and very, very simple. Okay, the same thing applies for IC Market. So just click on open an account, and it should take you to the page where you are going to be asked to open an account. You can see this is IC Market page. They actually have a very tight spread, and you can see on also regulated. So you can click on start trading, and it takes you to where you have to open an account. Okay, so once your account is open, you can then start trading. Now I'm going to take you to my trading platform to show you how you can link your account to TradingView. Okay, but let's go back to this. It's also the same thing. If you want to choose FP Market, just click on the open an account, and it takes you to the page. Okay, it takes you to the page where you would have to open an account. Okay, so just choose any one you want, and then you're good to go. Now let me take you guys through on the trading platform. All right, so back to our trading platform. As you can see, this is Easy Trend Signal installed. In the next couple of videos, you're going to learn how you can also install the software on your trading platform. I'm very sure you have created your TradingView account, because you will need that to install the software. So I can disable the software right here, and I can also enable it back. So once there is a new signal, you are going to get a notification right here. Okay, I'll also help you to set up your alerts. There is a way which you're going to be learning in the next couple of steps. You're going to be learning how you can set up your alerts so that you can get notification either to your email, okay, either to your email or to to your phone, or as a notification. Okay, so you can see add alert on Easy Trend Signal. Okay, now to link your broker to TradingView, you can see this button right here at the top left. You can see we have buy and we have sell. So you need to click on this button right here to bring up the window, because for you to place a position on your TradingView account, you need to click on this window. Okay, you need to click on this button. Now any one of them you can click actually. So when I click on this buy, then it's telling me to, you can also click on this trading panel. Okay, it's still the same thing. You can see trading panel, and then it brings up this section for the brokers. And as you can see, The first one is the demo, which is the paper trading. Okay, you don't need this, right? This is for practice. You understand? Now the second one is easy market. As you can see, easy market is featured because uh, they are actually licensed. And one thing you guys need to understand is that any broker available on TradingView, it means that the broker is licensed and regulated, because TradingView cannot accept a broker that is not regulated. Okay, a broker that is not regulated or licensed, they won't accept that. So all the brokers you're seeing right here, they are all licensed, they are regulated, and they are trusted. Okay, now the first one right here is easy market. So for you to connect your easy market, you just need to click on this, and once you click on it, you are going to see a pop-up that will appear for you to connect. You can see this is a pop-up. You can see now it will ask you to connect. You can click on this connect. This is after you have opened an account using the previous page that I gave you. You can click the link below. You're going to see the page. Okay, the link below takes you to the page where you can see all the brokers. Now click after you have registered the broker that you want to choose. If it is easy market, just follow the same process. Okay, now click on the connect section right here, and you are going to be asked to log in. Okay, you'll be asked to log in. Now you just need to wait for some few moments for the page to load. And as you can see right here, Easy Market is also an official partner for Real Madrid. You can see it up right here, and at the same time they also have they are also the number one broker of the year. Okay, the broker of the year for TradingView. Now the next thing is that you're going to come here and log in using your email and your password. Okay, so once you log in right now, your account is connected automatically. So this is also the same thing you're going to do for the rest of the broker that you choose. Okay, you can see we have IC Market right here. It's the same thing. Click on connect and you'll be asked to log in. So everything right here takes you to the login page where you're asked to log in. But make sure before you log into any account, make sure you have already opened an account. Okay, using the link on the page. For you to visit the page, you can use the button below to visit the page. Okay, very, very important. Now, once your account is registered and your account is verified, now you might need to verify your account using any governmental ID like your national ID card, your passport, your voter's card, whatever platform, whatever verification method you are having, you can use it to verify your account. It is a very simple process and it is not something difficult. But if any of you are having any issues with account verification, if you're having issues with account verification, you can always reach out to me. Make sure you join our Telegram channel and try to connect with me privately. Okay, I will guide you through on how you can verify your account. It is very, very important because if your account is not verified, you might not be able to get your withdrawal. Okay, your withdrawal might not be approved. So you need to verify your account. You need to make sure that your trading account is verified before you can place any withdrawal. All right. So we can see this is easy IC Market. Just log in using your email and your password, and then click on the login, and it takes you to your account, and automatically your account will be connected. Okay. The same thing you're going to now. Not all the brokers right here are for Forex. Some of them are for cryptocurrency, like Binance. Okay, Binance is also cryptocurrency. Whitebit, some of them are cryptocurrency. You can see BingX, also a cryptocurrency broker. Now for FP Market, you can see right here. FP Market, you can just log into using your FP your username and your password, and then click on connect. Automatically it is going to connect. Okay, I have some of my colleagues, some of my traders using Pepperstone, but some of them were complaining. I don't really know, but you can actually try them out. Okay, mind you, all the brokers right here, they are all regulated and they are all trusted, so you have no problem. Okay, and for the tick mills, you might need to come back to these all brokers for you to locate tick mills. Okay, click on this all brokers to see all the list of brokers, and you need to scroll a bit, and you're going to find tick mills. Okay, so I don't seem to find it, but you can search. All right, so this is it. So sometimes you might find it difficult to see because of the list of brokers that are available. If I look at it right here, I didn't see it from the first instance. I didn't see it, but you can see right here. This is Tick Mill, so you can click on this, and it's going to ask you for your username and your password, and you can click on connect. Okay, but mind you, make sure you already have your account opened. Okay, make sure you have your account open before you can connect your account. So all you need to do now is to click the button below that says open a broker's account to visit this page, and you can select any of the broker that you want to choose. Okay, so thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next step.